What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Orange Wire's Garage. In the last episode, we left you sanding this door all down, getting all the paint off of it. And what we ordered was a door bottom. We specifically ordered it for the driver's side, but this passenger side has a big hole about the size of my pinky finger in it. And what we want to do is check this door bottom out. We also ordered some door seals. We want to make sure all of that stuff works because we still have this cab mount to deal with and we still have the floor pan to deal with, and that is our top priority. So why don't we stop talking and why don't we start working and get some of this done?
Alrighty guys, so it is the next day here. Yesterday we set in on these floor pans and it got the cab mount out, got the new cab mount in, test fitted, everything looks good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the floor pan, everything back out, drill some holes in it, grind it all back down, put some well-through primer on it, get it all nice and rust proof, put it back in and start welding this thing in so it's in there for good. So let's stop talking and let's get to work.
guys, and just like that, we spent a whole day, a little bit more, putting in this cab mount and putting in this floor pan. And maybe you've done something like this before on the exact same truck or a different truck. And if we could have done something better, leave us a comment down below. Let us know how you did it. Might help us out next time and help somebody else that's watching this thing. But I think we did a really good job. The cab mount fits, the floor pan looks really good. Been dreading this job for a good long time. We finally got motivated. We finally got it done. But I think we ran out of time for this video, guys. It's been a lot of fun. In the next one, we're gonna keep jumping on this thing, maybe put that door bottom on, just getting it one step closer to being the machine it needs to be. If you like this video and you like the content, drop us a like, it really helps us out. Give us a follow on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there for you too. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think. We appreciate each and every one of you. We'll catch you next time in the 1969. We're out.
How it's supposed to feel.